back, lovely people. Great news about subscriber levels increasing, and here's some news for you. I now have a Facebook page, Professor Simon on Facebook. It's a fabulous place to go and continue discussions about films, and I look at it every day so we can chat. And here's some exciting news for patrons. First of all, let's just go over the whole Patreon thing. It's a way of supporting the channel. And what I'm offering you is levels of support. Everybody can have a direct email to me and we can have discussions and you can make comments about the films and give me ideas. But the higher levels, actually, I will make a broadcast quality film on your idea if it suits the channel's kind of ideas and put a credit on, and you can actually put that on something like Internet Movie Database. So become a TV producer and let me make your film with you. So that's the idea. But new, exciting news for existing patrons. I decided that a lot of people have asked me about this cave that I seem to be in and where do I live and what's going on. So I'm going to do a behind the scenes Professor Simon in France. What this place is a 16th century watermill in southwest France. This room is actually part of the old mill building, some of the oldest part of the house, and it was used as a grain store and in later days a wine cellar. So it's a fabulous place. I enjoy working down here. So if you'd like, become a Patreon, make films with me and get behind the scenes views of our life here in France. And here's a question to you. Would you be interested in knowing how these films are made? Let me know in the comments below. And I thought maybe as a broadcast person, I could do a bit of production techniques of how you could start your own YouTube channel and some of the tips and tricks, especially from the editing point of view, of how to make a YouTube film. Let me know, because the truth is out there.